What is a cap and how do you view crypto news? Let's begin with CoinMarketCap. It's a website offering essential crypto information. The global crypto market cap, which is the total money invested in cryptocurrencies worldwide, is now at 1.54 trillion pebble. This 0.92% decline lets you learn crucial info from this site. Now, about BTC dominance. It's the share of the crypto market's funds in Bitcoin, currently at 0.56%, meaning 50% is in Bitcoin. Ethereum dominance is the market's funds in Ethereum. So you get this information on this website. And the latest news is also about the Fair Grid Index. That is, what is the market sentiment? Grid means that there's a lot of buying and then there's a lot of selling. Scroll down to see cryptocurrency rankings by market cap. View them all here. If you click on any cryptocurrency, you will get all its information. Volume, i.e., how many buying and selling took place in the last 24 hours. Circulating supply, i.e., how much supply of this coin is currently in the market. You will get important information about every coin from this website. For major news sites, Cointelegraph and Cointext stand out, even ProCrypto. They provide the latest crypto updates. CNN, NBC, and Financial Times also cover crypto stories. Google searches reveal news from various sources. Twitter keeps you updated too. Cointelegraph and Cointext offer insights on new projects and market news. They're essential for staying informed in the crypto space.